Alright, I got some new stuff for the disco. There was a D4 that came in. I got a new cargo screen. My old one wasn't black, but this one looks fine because everything else is black back here. Also picked up this. So it's a wood from HSE. There are a couple, it's not actually a crack in the wood, but it's in the clear whatever covering. I might have to redo that one day, but that'd be another day's project. I think I'm going to put it on, just see how it looks. So the first thing I got to do is take off the cup holders. Just a simple screw right here on the side. Ponzi or Phillips head number 2. And a screw right on top. Alright, next we just need to put the car in neutral. I'm going to put the emergency brake on. Put it in neutral. The easiest way to get this off is just put it in neutral, pull down on the handle, push in on the button, and just pull straight up. It came off. Next, just take this off and unscrew this, and then we'll be getting close. So to remove this, just gently pry up so you don't break any of these, and then you just have this one electrical connection. Just push down there. And you can release the connection. Move this cover. It just stays on with these 4 little pegs. And we'll remove this. And then we just need to take these screws out and remove the switches. So I like mine a little opposite, so it's like the Range Rovers. So I have the white, which is the front. Actually, I swapped these. So white up top, purple down below. Now that's opposite from the way they came in the factory. So now I'm just going to transfer the buttons from this to right here. Alright, got them all installed. Let's put it in. So we got it attached. It has a couple lips that just fit under here. It doesn't really attach anywhere right here. It's got a couple of grooves for those screws to fit into, but I'm thinking the shift lever for the transfer case just kind of holds it down. We'll see. Okay, so the transfer case boot really doesn't hold it down. The clips just aren't long enough to kind of reach beyond the wood piece and the center console piece. What I did find is when you put the shift lever casing on, it really kind of locks everything in a lot better. So just got to do the cup holders now. All right, D2 got a nice little upgrade. Wood. Fancy. Alright, I like it. It's not perfect. Maybe I'll redo it one day, but I like it. It's alright.